हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द ब्रॉडकास्ट। स्वागत है आप सभी का। होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेरी गुड। सो बैंक पेंशनर्स की तरफ से अनदर अपडेट दैट इज बीइंग रेफर टू डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया। क्या है पूरा अपडेट, उसको यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे। सो यूनियन वांट चेंजेस इन द वेलफेयर स्कीम्स। क्या है, लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो काइंडली शेयर दिस इम्पोर्टेंट अपडेट अमंग अदर रिस्पेक्टेड सीनियर्स एंड आप हमें वित्तीय सहायता भी दोस्तों कर सकते हैं बाय क्लिकिंग द ज्वाइन बटन एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं यहाँ पे। सो यहाँ पे मैं एक डेटा यहाँ पे एनालिसिस कर रहा था व्यूअर्स का। सो मोस्ट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, many of the friends are from the foreign, also they are watching us mainly from the US and other countries. So that's a very good data. So 27th अप्रैल की अपडेट है ऑल इंडिया बैंक पेंशनर्स एंड रिटायरीज कॉन्फेडरेशन की तरफ से टू श्री विवेक जोशी जी, IAS सेक्रेटरी। क्या है इम्पोर्टेंट जो अपडेट है, दैट इज रिलेटेड टू द मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस स्कीम के जो इम्पोर्टेंट यहाँ पे एक रिकमेंडेशंस काइंड यहाँ पे इन्होंने सुजेस्ट करे हैं, कैसे कैसे उसको हम कम कर सकते हैं प्रीमियम्स को। We have been taking up the issue of providing a medical insurance scheme for bank pensioners and retirees as a welfare measure by meeting the cost out of staff welfare fund in terms of letter dated 24th February 12, written by DFS to IBA and banks. So it is well known to you that while evolving the medical insurance scheme, the IBA has deviated from the mandate of DFS, which desired IBA to evolve a scheme both for serving and retired employees by utilizing the funds in staff welfare funds as per the understanding in the year 2015, but in as much as for the serving employees. The banks were advised to bear the premium. The retired employees were asked to bear the premium. So that's the difference here. So banks को यहाँ पे प्रीमियम bear करना था. It was not only against the advice of DFS, but it is also burdened the retirees with exorbitant premium, which started at the rate of 7,499 in 15-16 and touched 1,07,000 for the current year. So a vast majority of retirees have opted out because of the unaffordability. So in this connection, we submit the following for your kind and sympathetic consideration. The entire premium should be borne by the banks, preferably by combining both the policies for serving and retired employees. It may help in bringing down the rates of premium for our members. Even exempting insurance premium from GST would lead to a reduced amount of premium. So it is pertinent to mention that insurance in itself does not give any service unless the hospitalization treatment actually take place. So in such a event, actually, the GST, wherever applicable, is payable on a hospital bills. It thus leads to double taxation. So, subjecting the senior citizen to double levy of GST is highly unfair and harsh. The senior citizen deserves a better and kinder treatment at the hands of government, IBA, and banks. Second, the rate of contribution to staff welfare fund should be calculated on the वो ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट के ऊपर होना चाहिए। ये तो काफ़ी देर से चल रहा है, बिकॉज नेट प्रॉफिट समटाइम्स दोस्तों कम ही होता है, ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट इज़ ऑलवेज हाई एंड बैंक्स का ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट तो रहता ही है। सो ये भी होना चाहिए। अ पोर्शन ऑफ स्टाफ वेलफेयर फंड एट द रेट ऑफ 25% वाज मार्क्ड फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ रिटायरीज इन द ईयर 2012 when ratio of serving and retired employees was 75 and 25, but today जो रेशियो है वो दोस्तों चेंज हो चुकी है। So this call for refixing the ratio for apportioning the staff welfare fund at least 50% for the retirees. So it will thus help banks to fully meet the cost of insurance premium for the retirees too. IBA should explore the possibility of changing the existing scheme with a scheme as prevailing in State Bank of India. IBA government should take initiative to rationalize at least the healthcare measure for all the bank retirees on humanitarian grounds. Please introduce a scheme like CGSH after collecting one-time contribution from the retirees. So some of the PSU like Bell and even the privatized Air India have a hospitalization medical scheme for retirees when wherein a one-time contribution is made by the retirees for a lifelong health cover from the company. So we request you to evolve such a scheme for the retirees of the banking industry. Within the next few days, we will be submitting a detailed report to IBA on GMISR and request you to apply your mind and consider the suggestions objectively so that it helps the bank pensioners and retirees with comprehensive medical and health scheme. So last but not the least, we request you to involve the bank retirees and pensioners organizations in the resolution process as the principal stakeholders. Obviously, principal stakeholders who have. So with this, that's all for this session. So kindly share the update, subscribe to the channel for the latest banking, pension and related news.